Hi dear speculators, today is Tuesday, May 24th, and I'm online again with a fresh market review prepared for InstaForex. The gold market is seeing high investment demand. Traders are entering the market with long positions. No surprise. Gold is one of the best safe haven assets in the face of a looming recession. I'd like to offer you a weekly setup for gold, silver, platinum, and palladium right now. I want to discuss a good trading idea for precious metals. Now let's go. Gold slowed down its bullish trend yesterday. There is a pin bar on the chart. Stop losses of sellers were triggered yesterday. I hope the uptrend will go on today because this high has not been broken yet. There is enough space for further growth. Those ones who bought gold at lower levels following my advice are now watching their profits multiplying. They might take some profits, especially if there is a false breakout at this level. You might close some positions. I'm still watching the bullish trend on the weekly chart. There are no signs of its disruption. The price made some corrections. I believe the uptrend will continue for a while. Silver also confirms the uptrend with a pin bar on the weekly chart. I see the same scenario as in the case with gold. Platinum and palladium are also trading at lower levels. You could buy them at good bargains. I hope you will not blow this chance. The euro-dollar pair. The euro-dollar pair has been growing in confidence for the second week in a row. Today is Tuesday and the pair has grown more for the last 2 days than for the previous week. I see a mirror level ahead. There is enough space for further growth. Christine Lagarde is due to speak tonight. I reckon she will confess that the time is right to raise interest rates. In tune with the latest fashion, all major central banks increase interest rates. This hawkishness smells like recession, my friends. Western economies cannot develop normally on the back of high interest rates. Analysts warn that the US and Europe are on the verge of slipping into a recession. What can we see on the daily chart of the euro-dollar pair? I don't see any trading signals. I see some retracements. The third wave has worked out well. Sellers' stop losses have been activated. Let's wait and see. Now analysts will say that 1.0700 is a strong resistance level that we should bear in mind. They would advise traders to sell following the trend and place stop losses nearby. If it happens and if this level is tested followed a retracement, I think we could hunt for this level according to my strategy. What's going on with the pound sterling? Today the UK released downbeat economic news, so the sterling is losing ground. Nevertheless, the sterling has left a nice level upwards. If we apply the Fibonacci grid, we will see that we could enter the market at a retracement. During a test of the 50% Fibonacci level, we could hit the seller's stop losses. They are trembling now. The dollar-yen pair was hunting for stop orders today. It even updated the fresh lows of yesterday, but it didn't update the lows of May 19th. Let me remind you about the interesting level of late April. It is where the bars set their stop orders. I hope they will be triggered today or tomorrow. The price has been beating this level for 4 weeks straight. And I expect a true breakout, not a false one. A lot of money has been amassed at this level. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you again later this week. Bye bye.